How to easily edit or change table borders in Google Docs. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then simply open a sample Google document. So in here, as you can see, this document has a table. So if I want to edit or change this one, the first thing that we need to do is to highlight the table. After that, if we want to change the color of the border, all we need to do is to go on top and then tap on this pencil icon. After that, you can now choose any of this color. So as an example, I'm gonna select red. And as you can see, it automatically changed the color of the table. And then after that, if I want to change the thickness of this table, all we need to do is to tap on this border width icon. And then in here, you can select any of this one. So as an example, I'm gonna select this 3 point. And as you can see here, it automatically changed the thickness of the border. And then the next thing that you need to do if you want to change the style of the border, you can also tap on this border dash icon. And then after that, you will be given 3 choices. So as an example, I'm going to select this dotted style. And as you can see, it automatically changed the style of the border. And then after that, if you want to add a color on the border, you can also tap on this background color. And then after that, you can select the color here. So I'm just gonna select this one. And as you can see, it automatically filled the color of my border. And then in here, you can now start typing on your table. So that's how easy we can change or edit table borders in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!